Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how many RAM slots does your Dell Latitude 5420 have. And it depends on your revision, so let's find out yourself. Just right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager, then go to Performance and go to Memory. Now you'll see slots used and form factor. They are both important. If form factor says SODIMM, then you can replace their RAM. But if it says rows of chips, then it's unfortunately unreplaceable. You just need to stick onto what you have. But yeah, if it's SODIMM, then for sure you can replace it. You can see I have 2 of 2 slots used, which means if I wanted to upgrade my memory, I have quite a lot. But if I had 16 gigabytes and wanted to upgrade it to 32, then I'd probably have 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes at the speed listed here. So if I wanted to get 32 gigabytes, I would need to just get 2 16 gigabytes sticks at the same speed listed here and replace the old sticks with the new ones. But if you have some slots free, like for example 1 of 2 slots used, then just buy 1 stick and add it to the memory. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.